In this tutorial, we're gonna see how to add a dripping liquid effect onto your text in Adobe After Effects. All you need to do is follow the steps. Let's get started. After you created a new composition, press the text tool and type in your text. I typed in liquid as an example. Change the font to something like Montserrat Black. Scale up your text if you need to. And with the Align tools, make sure your text is in the center. Alright, now go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for CC Smear. Drag this effect onto your text like this, and then in the Effect Controls, press the Start position right here that says From. Choose the area you want the drip effect to be in, let's say the letter L, and then go to the bottom edge of the letter. Go to the Effect Controls and press on 2. Make sure you are perfectly aligned with the first click we made, then go slightly below your preview window and then click, let's say, this area here. Then we need to add some keyframes to make this effect happen. Go back to the start of the timeline, press the stopwatch where it says reach, change the value to 0, and go 2 or 3 seconds forward in the timeline, and this time change the value to 600. As you can see, the drip effect started happening, but we want to add some more things to this effect. On your keyboard, click on U, and it will show you the keyframes that we made on our timeline. Select those keyframes, and right-click with your mouse, press on Easy Ease. Go to the graph editor, and make sure the edit speed graph is checked. Drag this all the way to the right like this. Now let's take a look. Nice. Now you can choose to change the radius value or keep it as it is. And you can also apply this effect to the other letters as well by simply hitting Ctrl D or Command D to duplicate the effect. Click on From and choose a different letter, for example the letter I. Click on 2, the same thing as we did with our first letter. And at the end it should look like this. And there you go. That's how you add a drip liquid effect to your text. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to become a pro editor and learn more stuff, check out this other tutorial.